Hey everyone! Wanna learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds? Well, this one's for you. Let's go. This isn't what I usually say in the openings. I wanted to try something different. Anyway, now without further ado, on with the video! How to solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds. I like the music. 43 quintillion combinations, only one solution. This is how you do it in 10 seconds. Go! We got 5 seconds, you're running out of time. 10 seconds happens just like that. You're running out of time, you can do this, how to basic. Almost. Frustration. Rubik's Cube abuse. So much abuse. Try it again. Oh, there it is. Let's try it again. 3, 4, 5, 6. More frustration. There it is. Oh, it's disappearing. Keep disappearing. Frustration. Dramatic music intensifies. They're everywhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, more abuse. More Rubik's Cube abuse. It's everywhere. What the? Oh, the lights! I have one of those. What? It's Pepe the Frog! It's a plush! What is even happening? Is this a horror movie? A Pepe the Frog horror movie? Oh! Creepy! It's mine now. Peace out! It disappeared! Ah! So after all this time, it was just a dream? Well, I'll be flabbergasted. I can't believe it. Oh, right back where we started. How to solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds. This is how you do it. The how-to basic way. What the? A chicken? Oh, eggs? What's happening so fast? I can barely keep up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. That's all you got. Good job! That's how you do it. Nice. Well, there you have it. That's how you solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds. The how-to basic way. The struggle was real! Even so, he got it done. I gotta say, this was very educational. I learned a lot. Anyway, thank you, How to Basic. I can't wait to see more. I hope they got my intro right next time. It was a struggle. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reactions. With that in mind, I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, 2 witnesses, and peace! The struggle was real!